University, Ludhiana. Special guest of the day, Mr. Gurkirpal Singh, who is a member of the local management committee of our school. Honorable Director of the school, Reverend Father George, worthy Principal, Reverend Sister Sylvie, and our dear Reverend Sisters. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
The day holds significance to honor the conviction, valiance, and courage.
Independence is not just about breaking free from chains, but about embracing the responsibility that comes with freedom. Let us honor the past and shape the future with courage and unity.
A blissful morning to the chief guest of the day, Shri Rupinder Singh, Senior Superintendent of Police, Vigilance Bureau, Ludhiana, our guest of honor, Dr. Rishi Indra Singh Gill, Principal Scientist, Agroforestry and Estate Officer at the Punjab Agricultural University, Ludhiana. Special guest of the day, Mr. Gurkirpal Singh, who is a member of the local committee of our school. Our esteemed director of the school, Reverend Father George, worthy principal, Reverend Sister Sylvie, Reverend Sisters, respected teachers, and my dear friends.
Our heartiest greetings to all of you on our 78th Independence Day. What a glorious and auspicious occasion it is for all of us. I'm sure the Indians worldwide are overjoyed to feel the festivity in the air.
As we celebrate the 78th Independence Day today, we vision to reflect Viksit Bharat, transforming India into a developed nation by 2047. जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहाँ बहती है गंगा, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, सत्यमेव जयते जहाँ नारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है.
With freedom in our minds, faith in our words, and pride in our souls,
we wish you Happy Independence Day. Hey Komal, do you know that today we are celebrating the 78th Independence Day?
Yes, Jia. Today, we gather together as a community to celebrate the freedom, unity, and indomitable spirit that defines our great nation.
Before we begin with today's celebration, let me formally introduce our chief guest of the day, Shri Rupinder Singh, Senior Superintendent of Police Vigilance, Bureau, Ludhiana. He has served as DSP in Mohali, Khadar, Shri Fatehgarh Sahib, Dera Basi, and SP City, Ludhiana. SP Traffic and Security, SSP Vigilance, Jalandhar and Ludhiana. He has won silver medal at World Fire and Police Games held at the United Kingdom. He is also the president of Punjab Golf Association. Let's put our hands together and welcome such an acclaimed personality to Sacred Heart.
I'd like to formally introduce our guest of honor, Dr. Rishi Indra Singh Gill, Principal Scientist, Agroforestry and Estate Officer at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. Dr. Gill is an agroforestry expert and recipient of prestigious fellowship and gold medalist in Indian Society of Agroforestry for outstanding contributions to the agroforestry research and development. Let's put our hands together and welcome our acclaimed personality to Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School. Prayer is a surge of the heart. It is a simple look turned towards the heaven that helps us to connect with God Almighty.
As we come together on this special day to honor the birth of our nation, we pause to give thanks for the blessings of liberty and unity. With grateful hearts, let's join our hands and bow our heads and seek the blessings of Lord Almighty.
God of all nations, Father of the human family, we ask for your wisdom to lead our leaders, your protection over our service members, and your grace to unite us as one despite our differences. May this celebration be not just of our nation's freedom, but a celebration of the freedom we have in you, the freedom to love, to serve, and to pursue truth. Help us to build a nation that honors you in all its ways, a nation where peace and righteousness flow like a river. Bless this gathering and bless our beloved country. This we ask in the name of your Son, Jesus. Amen.
Prayers are a cry of recognition and love, embracing both trial and joy. Let's fill our souls with a sense of spiritualism and welcome the prayer dance students on the stage.
सूरत मन में हमारे बस जाओ। दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। धरती से अंबर तुम ही तुम, धरती से अंबर तुम ही तुम, रंग रंग में लहराओ। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। सूर्य की किरणें नित्य बिखरती, नित्य सजे संध्या की बेला। सूर्य की किरणें नित्य बिखरती, नित्य सजे संध्या की बेला। सुंदर सुंदर कलियां खिलती, नित लगता फूलों का मेला। मैं देखूं जिस ओर पलट के मैं देखूं जिस ओर पलट के, रूप तुम्हारा देखूं भगवन। तुमसे सुंदर कोई नहीं है, तुम में है सारा आकर्षण। दया निधाना तुम हो दया, मैं तुमसे मिलता सुख मुझको। तुम प्रकाश के महापुंज हो, छू के जाता हर दुख मुझको। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ।
What a soul-refining performance it was. Savroop, Did you know that flowers have been communicating emotions and messages for centuries?
Yes, Kirat. Beyond their beauty, flowers also offer us the gift of fragrance, which has the power to revoke our memories and uplift our spirits.
Just as each flower has its own story, so does our esteemed guest of the day brings their unique contribution on the special occasion of Independence Day.
The young Sacred Heartians will be presenting fragrant flowers as a heartful gesture to express our deep appreciation for all your presence. With a round of applause, we welcome the guest of the day, Shri Rupinder Singh, in the premises of Sacred Heart. A beautiful bouquet for the guest of honor, Dr. Rishi Inder Singh Gill. Let's welcome him with resounding applause.
Now we present a beautiful bunch of flowers to our special guest of the day, Sardar Rajinder Singh Ji, a member of the local managing committee of our school. Another beautiful bouquet for the special guest of the day, Mr. Aman Kapoor. The clapping must not stop as now we present a beautiful bunch of flowers to our Honorable Director of the school, Reverend Father George, and worthy Principal of the school, Reverend Sister Sylvie.
Thank you, dignitaries, for accepting our love and gratitude. Words have the power to inspire, to unite, and to kindle the flame of patriotism in our hearts.
In a country as diverse as ours, it is through words that we express our love for the nation, honor the sacrifices of those who came before us, and pledge our commitment to our future. Today, we have the privilege of hearing from the two young voices who represent the bright future of our country.
So let's welcome our primary grade head boy Gurmehar Singh and head girl Piyusha Joshi to share their thoughts on what patriotism means to them.
The chains of bondage, broken and worn, a nation spirit forever sworn, to stand as one through joy and strife, embracing freedom, our hearts life.
With every breath, we will hold it dear and cherish the courage that brought us here. Through trials and tribulations, we have found our independence, a treasure unbound.
A very warm,
wonderful
morning to our Honorable Director, Reverend Father George, worthy Principal, Reverend Sister Sylvie, Reverend Sisters, esteemed Chief Guest of the Day, and our Guest of Honor, respected teachers, and our dear friends.
Today, we gather to celebrate the dawn of freedom, the triumph of courage, and the spirit of unity that has guided our nation from the shadows of oppression to the light of liberty. As we stand on the threshold of this momentous day, we celebrate the diversity that makes us strong, the creativity that drives us forward, and the resilience that defines us.
As we celebrate this significant milestone, we remember the words of our national heroes who fought for our freedom and the principles they stood for: justice, equality, and liberty. We honor their legacy by reaffirming our commitment to these timeless ideals.
We also acknowledge the progress we have made as a nation, the strides in education, healthcare, and innovation. We celebrate the diversity that makes us strong, the creativity that drives us forward, and the resilience that defines us. Let us take a moment to reflect on the struggles of our future.
Let us honor the blood, sweat, and tears that have shaped our nation's journey. And let us rekindle the flame of patriotism that burns bright in our hearts, guiding us towards a brighter tomorrow. But we do recognize that our journey is far from over. We still have challenges to overcome, injustices to correct, and opportunities to seize. Let us pledge to work together to build a nation where every citizen can thrive, where every voice is heard, and where every dream can take flight. So let us raise our flags high, let us sing our national anthem with pride, and let us march forward, united in our quest for a brighter future. Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Gurmehar and Piyusha. It's truly heartwarming to see such passion and understanding in young leaders. Your words have filled us all with a renewed sense of pride and patriotism.
Music is a universal language that transcends boundaries and connects us all. It has the remarkable ability to express our deepest emotions, celebrate our shared values, and unite us in a common sense. Let us open our hearts and embrace the melodies that will be filling this room as I welcome the school choir on the stage.
हमारा
memorable performance it was.
Greetings to the army personnel, veterans and their families on this Independence Day.
In situations of conflict and peace, our valiant soldiers are ever ready to serve the nation in every way they can. This is their love, patriotism and passion. Nation first, always first. Keeping the nation's interest at the utmost front is their priority.
To highlight the feelings of love of their family members and the patriotic feelings of these officers, let's witness Wings of Will, a chapter from the life of a young girl who's extremely passionate and determined to join the Indian Army.
Have you seen this? Our Indian Army has conducted a successful surgical strike.
Oh, really? That's great. Here's a letter.
Asma? Asma, where are you? Come here quickly.
What's the matter? Why are you so upset?
Wait, you'll be upset too. Let her come. Asma!
Yes, Dad. What's the matter?
What is it? You've applied to join defense?
What? How could you even think about it?
She had appeared for the exam and this is her appointment letter.
Asma, is it true? You have gone so far without informing us? Mom, Dad, I knew you won't permit me to pursue my dreams. I had always wanted to serve my country.
There are many other ways to serve your country. Go for IAS, IPS and serve your country.
But Dad, I want to become a frontline warrior. I am passionate about that zeal, attitude, that uniform and the valor. Asma, please understand, you are all we have. How can we consent to send you face death every day? If I were a boy, would you say the same? You would be proud of me, right? It's just because I'm a girl. You are not ready to send me?
Yes, you're right. Defense is not for girls and I'll never send you.
The next morning. Asma! Asma! Where are you? Asma! Oh my God! What is this? Hello, Mom and Dad. Please forgive me for disappointing you. You have left me with no choice. I had to leave. I want to be in the Indian Army. It's only my dream since childhood. I wish you could feel proud of me. I will miss you a lot. Bless me so that I can become a great soldier, not less than any boy. With love, your disobedient daughter, Asma. Asma!
What is it? Why are you crying?
See this. Our Asma has left. She has gone. Our daughter has gone. Please, please bring her back.
No, I won't. She has left the house without our consent. She has to come back on her own. You don't worry. You think military training is easy? She will come back soon. Let her face the reality. She'll be back.
Meanwhile, at the army camp.
Boys and girls, welcome to the Indian Army.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow onwards, defense training will start. You will get your agenda by tonight. Remember, there is no mercy for anyone during training.
Yes, sir.
Louder!
Yes, sir.
Stand at ease.
Sir, this is Asma Malik. I'm also part of this camp.
Oh really? But you're late.
Sorry, sir. I have come a long way.
Show me your appointment letter. Is this a joke? And you are expecting to join this army with this seriousness?
Please, sir, allow me to join the camp. I have left everything behind to join the camp. My father didn't let me consent to come here. Please give me a chance. I will not disappoint you.
Okay, I will see you for a month. If you can prove yourself, you will be a part of this camp.
Thank you, sir.
Cadets, I will see you all tomorrow. Be ready for the training. Dismiss now.
So, delicate darlings, are you going for this tough training?
Oh, just leave it. They will run away in 3 days. No, you are wrong. They will run away in 2 days. Look at them. How will we survive here if they wave like this? I'm really nervous. Shall we quit? I'm doubtful too. They won't let us survive here.
No, I won't quit. I am fighting with it at my home also. Why shall we give up? Just because of these men think we are weak? We can't be a frontline warrior? If we quit, they will win. I will prove that we can also serve our country.
I think you are right. We all are so with you.
Asma kept her promise. She didn't keep any stone unturned to complete her training. She tried and tried and tried. She failed only to stand up again. She didn't give up.
घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनून के आगे अंबर पनाही मांगे, कर डाल तू जो फैसला। टूटी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, रे बंदेया हर मैदान फतेह।
1 year later, Asma's parents received an invitation from Indian Military Academy for Independence Day Parade ceremony. On 15th August at Indian Military Academy.
Come, this way. Asma might be there.
But where is our daughter? Can you see her?
No, I can't. Excuse me? Are you Asma's parents? Yes, sir. Major K.P. Singh, Commander-in-Chief. I'm Asma's mentor.
Oh, hello, sir. Where is our daughter? How is she?
She's perfectly all right. Please, have a seat.
Asma Malik, a true patriot, all set to take up the responsibilities as a wing commander in the Indian Army.
Well done, Asma. Not only your parents, but the whole Indian Army and the nation is really proud of you. Would you like to say something?
Thank you, sir. People often ask me, what's it like being a girl in the Indian Army? And my response is, it's not just about being a girl. It's about being a soldier, a protector, and a patriot. Our journey isn't just about women's empowerment. It's about national empowerment. It's about recognizing that every individual, regardless of gender, has the potential to make a difference. We are not just soldiers, we are the guardians of our nation's future, and will continue to march forward together with courage, honor, and pride. Jai Hind! Bharat Mata Ki Jai!
This This is the picture of Viksit Bharat, where gender equality is an underlined feature.
The fear of fright when it airs the flight becomes something colossal, something high. This performance truly left a deep imprint on all of our hearts. So let's put our hands together to appreciate the efforts put in by our dear primary students.
Komal, do you know that India is the biggest democracy in the world?
Yes, Jia. After 77 years of gaining independence, India has walked a long way.
Can you picture India in the year 2047?
Picturing India? Definitely. But there are certain areas which are alarming and need attention.
I didn't get you, Komal. Are you talking about the menace that has taken over our youth?
Yeah, Jia, you're right. The substance abuse, vaping, mobile addiction, and whatnot.
To highlight the changes that India needs, here we have the tiny tots from the kindergarten of Sacred Heart to boggle our minds with rhythms of unity showcasing Viksit Bharat.
Let us all demonstrate fortitude and resilience, emulating the exemplary courage of Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, and Rani Jhansi. We must confront and overcome the prevailing challenges of mobile phone addiction, substance abuse, and the allure of foreign migration, which threaten to undermine our nation's progress and prosperity.
Let us all make a commitment to advocate for liberty against societal conventions.
जो उड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख, कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, कमर कसनी अभी बाकी, मुट्ठी खींचना है।
नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर करेंगे थे। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, इंसान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम।
Let us make the necessary sacrifices to overcome our dependencies and achieve inner peace and fulfillment in our personal and professional lives, thereby contributing to the prosperity of our nation. Our tricolor flag holds immense significance, representing our distinct identity, the unity that binds us, and the shared aspirations we hold as a collective.
Indeed, a reflection of progressive nation which is envisioned by 2047 by the Indians. May our Bharat grow. May our Bharat be Viksit. Let's once again applaud for this conviction showcased by the tiny toddlers of Sacred Heart. On this 78th Independence Day, let me have the privilege to hear from our sagacious chief guest of the day, Shri Rupinder Singh Ji, SSP Vigilance Bureau. Let me tell you, dear students, that our chief guest of the day is the grandson of former President of India, Gyani Jail Singh Ji, and since 22 years, he is associated with NGO Mother Teresa. I humbly request Shri Rupinder Singh Ji to kindly come up on the stage and share your delightful words on this special day when we at Sacred Heart are celebrating 78th Independence Day. Let's once again clap for such an acclaimed personality who's there with us today.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Director of the school, Father George, Principal Sister Sylvie, dear teachers and students. Today we celebrate the freedom that our country gained through the hard work and sacrifices of many brave souls. Students, as you grow and learn, remember that you are the future of this nation. Embrace your education, respect your elders, and dream big. I would like to acknowledge the efforts of your director, the principal, and the dedicated teachers who work tirelessly to guide and shape your future. Your school provides a nurturing environment where you can thrive, grow, and become the best version of yourselves. Let's work together to make our country proud and corruption-free. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful words. I request you, sir, to kindly stay back on the stage. Sir, your words will surely make a significant mark on the Sacred Heartians. Now, I request our guest of honor, Dr. Rishi Inder Singh Gill Ji, Principal Scientist, Agroforestry, PAU, Honorable Director of the School, Reverend Father George, Honorable Principal of the School, Reverend Sister Sylvie, to please come up on the stage and join our Chief Guest of the Day, Shri Rupinder Singh Ji, SSP Vigilance Bureau. So now we are going to release the school newsletter. A school's newsletter is a historical document, dear students, a document of the growth of the school. And this valuable publication is the opportunity that students require to show their creative talents. And today, on this occasion, we are going to release the School Newsletter Expressions 2023-2024. Dear guests, along with academics, games, athletics, art, science clubs, dramatics, elocution, and many more activities. These are compiled under the guidance of the chief editor of the newsletter, and the chief editor of our school's newsletter is none other than the principal of our school, Reverend Sister Sylvie. I would like to invite the editor of the newsletter, Miss Vanita Narula, to kindly come up on the stage, and along with her, we have the sub-editors from various subjects, Miss Mona Thapar, Computers, Miss Jaswinder Kaur, Mathematics, Miss Harpreet Kaur, Punjabi, Miss Anu Berry, English, Miss Bhavna, Hindi, and Miss Mandeep Kaur, Science section, to kindly join the esteemed dignitaries on the stage. And a very important part is played by the student editors Pariksha Jain and Gagan Preet Singh. Now the student editor will hand over the first copy of the newsletter Expressions 2023-2024 to the Honorable Director of the school, Reverend Father George, who will present it to the Chief Editor of the newsletter, Reverend Sister Sylvie. And Sister Sylvie, the Chief Editor, is going to present the same to the Chief Guest of the day, Shri Rupinder Singh Ji, SSP Vigilance, for the release. The second copy will be presented to the guest of honor, Dr. Rishi Inder Singh Gill, by the director of the school, Reverend Father George, for the release. Another copy for the honorable director of the school, Reverend Father George. Let's all clap. The clapping should not stop. Another copy for the chief editor of the newsletter, Reverend Sister Sylvie. Okay. The student editors are now going to present a copy to the editor, Miss Vanita Narula, and the sub-editors. Dear students, now the time has come to release the stigma of hard work. The esteemed guest, our chief guest and our guest of honor, they are going to open the newsletter and release it. Let's clap for the hard work of both the students and the editor, the chief editor, the editor, and the sub-editors. Such an honor that our newsletter has been released today. Let's once again clap and applaud the efforts and the hard work put in by the students and the team of mentors behind the scene. Congratulations to one and all associated with the newsletter Expressions 2023-2024. So the memories are being captured. A big day for the Sacred Heart when all the activities are compiled and they are being published and released today. Thank you, dignitaries, for doing the honors. Thank you so much. So our chief guest of the day, acclaimed personality, who was there with us today. Sir, it was wonderful to have you. It was great to see your presence and feel it at Sacred Heart. A small token of love from the Sacred Heart family, sir. Please accept our love and gratitude in the form of a dushala and a memento which says, thank you, sir, for being with us today. Thank you, sir, that you are there. And sir, we are so proud to have a personality like you, grandson of late Yani Jail Singh Ji, the former president of India. A a big day for us when we are celebrating 78th Independence Day, and we have Shri Rupinder Singh Ji with us. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. Thank you once again. Now I invite the student compeers to kindly take over for further proceedings.
Men may come, men may go, but I go on forever. And I believe that we can completely relate it with freedom, because freedom is not just a distant place that we have reached. Rather, freedom is like a journey that we walk every day and we feel every day.
India's gaining of independence on 15th August 1947 was trusted with destiny, as the struggle for freedom was long, and witnessing the sacrifice of so many patriotic fighters like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, and so many others is definitely going to be a motivation for the young generation to instill the feelings of patriotism and sacrifice.
Let's witness Azadi Ke Parwane, a dance drama highlighting the importance of freedom fighters.
सितंबर 1907 बांगा गांव पंजाब। एक मां की कोख से एक ऐसे बच्चे ने जन्म लिया जिसने हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में युवा और क्रांति की परिभाषा ही बदल दी।
तेरा लुट ना संभाल गोए, पगड़ी संभाल जट्टा पगड़ी संभाल गोए, ना जाए ना जाए मार जट्टा पगड़ी संभाल गोए। तो गुलामी की जंजीरें बदल के तू अपनी तकदीरें, पड़ जा ऐसा इनके पल्ले कर दे इनकी बल्ले 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 बल्ले।
यार भगत, मुझे पता है कि तू चार्ली चैपलिन की बहुत फिल्में देखता है, पर एक बात बता, तू ये क्या लिखते रहता है?
वक्त आने पे जरूर बताऊंगा।
ओहो, अच्छा सुन, माँ कह रही थी दुल्हन लाने का सही समय आ गया है।
मैंने अपना पूरा जीवन देश के नाम कर दिया है, अब आजादी ही मेरी दुल्हन है।
सरफरोश की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है। सरफरोश की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है। देख सकता है तो तू भी देख ले आसमां, हौसला ये देख के आगे बड़ी मुश्किल में है।
अब बहारों को सुनना हो तो आवाजों को जोरदार होना होगा।
सरफरोश की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, सरफरोश की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है।
Order, order. According to the law,
go hell with with your law.
Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad!
Inqilab, Inqilab, what the hell is your Inqilab?
इनकलाब एक लड़ाई है जुल्म और नाइंसाफी के खिलाफ।
इनकलाब एक हथियार है आदमी पर आदमी का शोषण रोकना।
इंकलाब एक ऐलान है देश के नौजवानों को एकजुट करने के लिए।
इनकलाब एक पुकार है सोए हुए आवाम को उठाने के लिए। पगी प्रेमी और पागल एक ही चीजों से बने होते हैं। मैं ऐसा पागल हूँ जो जेल के अंदर भी आजाद है।
23 मार्च 1931।
चलो समय हो गया है।
बस एक आखिरी पन्ना।
मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे, रंग दे रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे। निकले हैं वीर जियाले जो अपना सीना ताने, हंस हंस के जान लुटाने, आजाद सवेरा लाने। मर के कैसे जीते हैं इस दुनिया को बतलाने, तेरे लाल चले हैं माए अब तेरी लाज बचाने। आजादी का शोला बन के खून रगों में डोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे, रंग दे रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे।
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद! इनकलाब जिंदाबाद!
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है।
न जाने कितने बलिदानों के बाद मिली है ये आजादी। आजादी की कीमत उनसे पूछिए जिन्होंने सर कटा दिया पर कभी झुकाया नहीं। आजादी की कीमत उनसे पूछिए जिनका बेटा सरहद से कभी लौट कर आया नहीं। आजादी की कीमत उनसे पूछिए जिनके सिर्फ घर ही नहीं आज देश भी जल रहे हैं। हमने तो ये आजादी अपने पुरखों से विरासत में पाई है। आजादी की कीमत उनसे पूछिए जिन्होंने इसकी कीमत चुकाई है। बहुत कीमती है ये आजादी, बलिदानों से पाए इस विरासत को समझिए और संभालिए।
आजादी के नव उद्घोष पे सबने वीरों की गाथा गाई। आजादी के नव उद्घोष पे सबने वीरों की गाथा गाई। गांधी, नेहरू, पटेल और सुभाष की ध्वनि चारों ओर है छाई। भगत, राजगुरु और सुखदेव की कुर्बानियों से आंखें हैं भर आई। भगत, राजगुरु और सुखदेव की कहानियों से आंखें हैं भर आई। Now, I would like to invite our guest of honor, Dr. Rishi Indra Singh Gill, Principal Scientist, Agroforestry and Estate Officer at PAU Ludhiana, to kindly come upon the stage and inspire the students with his motivational words.
I've been to this school number of times because my son and daughter studied from this school, prestigious school. But today's event was quite different. I got a chance to share a first line in the auditorium with director sir, principal sir, and very important person, grandson of very respectable president of India, Gyani Jail Singh ji. Thanks. Good morning to everyone present. I would like to thank and express heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Reverend Father George, Director of this school, Reverend Sister Sylvie, Board of Management members, appreciated teachers, and bright sacred heartians for this warm welcome on this momentous occasion. On this memorable 78th Independence Day, I congratulate you for all your success and thoroughly planned and meticulously executed event. Indian independence was seemingly just about India's supremacy, but in deeper principle was about the freedom of Indian people's genuine thoughts and creative ideas. Freedom of expression being the greatest outcome of centuries-long struggle of independence has catapulted India to astronomical level of success and growth. After watching the budding stars of tomorrow giving their best efforts today has consolidated my belief that India is heading toward a bright future and quite possibly restoring the olden Indian status of an uncaged golden sparrow. I want the future doctors, engineers, scientists, teachers, actors, and business person present in this auditorium to realize that significance of our forefathers' sacrifices is not just our very presence in this room, but also the liberty to dream, to aspire to choose your own profession and path in life. Those brave hearts made immense sacrifices, and their time spent in shackles gave us the life of freedom for which we should always be grateful. I make an appeal to all the students to always embody our freedom fighters' qualities of patriotism, sheer will, and insurmountable courage in their actions and judgment. Taking a picture with a hashtag or participating in parades is not the true essence of this day. Rather, it is about upholding the ideas of integral India in our daily lives. The strength and unity of freedom movement, alike India lied in this diversity, just like modern India's success lies in its integrity and communal harmony. So on this Independence Day, let us take a pledge to move into future by acknowledging the trumps of the past and respecting the original pillars of values that the foundations of this country were built on. Let us join our hands in collective efforts to escalate our country to zenith of glory and make a precedent for this Indian dream. I congratulate the editorial board of schools newsletter for coming up with a wonderful, memorable document. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. I request you, sir, to kindly stay back on the stage for the felicitations. I humbly request the Honorable Director of the school, Reverend Father George, and our worthy principal, Reverend Sister Sylvie, to kindly join our guest of honor, Dr. Rishi Inder Singh, on the stage. Dr. Rishi Inder Singh Gill, Principal Scientist, Agroforestry and State Officer, Punjab Agriculture University. It's such a great moment to have such learned people with us today. Time to present a token of love and gratitude from the Sacred Heart family to our special guest of the day, our guest of honor. We have a Dashala for our guest of honor and a memento. Let's once again clap and thank our guest of honor, Dr. Rishi Inder Singh Gill, who spared his valuable time to be with us, to inspire the students. Thank you so much, sir, for being in Sacred Heart once again. Now I call my student compeers to take over for further proceedings.
Now it's time for some fun, frolic, masti and maza.
ਢੋਲ ਦੀ ਤਾਲ ਹੋਵੇ, ਨੱਚਣ ਲਈ ਧਮਾਲ ਹੋਵੇ, ਅੱਡੀ ਵੀ ਕਮਾਲ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇ ਜੱਟਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਬੜਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਜੰਜਾਲ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ। ਇਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਵਾ?
ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ, ਪਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਲੋਕ ਨਾਚ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਰੌਣਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੇੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੁੰਨਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਦੀਆਂ ਰੌਣਕਾਂ 'ਚ ਚਾਰ ਚੰਨ ਲਾਉਣ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸੇਕਰਡ ਹਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਤੇ ਮੁਟਿਆਰ। ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਜ਼ੋਰਦਾਰ ਤਾੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਭੰਗੜਾ।
Yo, just beats.
Now, for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
शीशा देख के कलिप पैलावा वे अज मेरे माये आवना शीशा देख के तिड़क गया कजरा वे रूप नू ना सह सकिया रांझा हूँ मारे वे लोका पाले मोर बोलदा तेन चलदे बहाने वेखा हाड़ा वे तेनू वेखा वे कोठे उत्ते आ जा सोनिया
लुक छुप के आ दिन आया मसा सुखा सुख सुख के वे अज रोकू सानू केड़ा जिद्दे विच गेड़े ते गेड़ा सुन ले बोलिए पौन बनेरे वे अज नाल नचूगा बेड़ा अज दुख दा कोई अंग पैर हट याद नहीं वे अज अल्लड़ां दे रब याद नहीं वे अज जट्टियां दे रब याद नहीं वे अज अल्लड़ां दे रब याद नहीं वे अज जट्टियां दे बिट्टू सीम चाहिदी आला फोटो में फरारी लाल दी चुन्नी मेरी रंग दे ललारिया चुन्नी मेरी रंग दे ललारिया मेरे आदी गड्डी दे नाल दी चुन्नी मेरी रंग दे ललारिया मेरे आदी गड्डी दे नाल दी सुता मंगे लगदे आ ओनू चंगे लगदे आ ताही सुता कुंडड़ा पवा लवां सुचा शरियाम हो जा सोचदियां ना मैं ओदा गुट्टी उत्ते टैटू बनवा लवां सोचदी कटाल दी मैं पेट मजे नाल दी मैं होर कुड़ती सवाल वां ओनू देख के तां मेरी हो जवे उम्र वधी दे नाल दी चुन्नी मेरी रंग दे ललारिया मेरे आदी गड्डी दे नाल दी चुन्नी मेरी रंग दे ललारिया मेरे आदी गड्डी दे नाल दी आओ नचिए गाइए
खास तेरे लिए शिकारी बल्लिए चेरी रंग दी फरारी बल्लिए वो लेके वंडरलैंड जाऊंगा जट खोली बेटा बारी बल्लिए मैं भी तेरा कर बड़ी सुनिया ओ कर बेटिया वो बच्ची सुनिया साडी गली तो वेले करके रख मोड़ के तू बड़ी सुनिया
DJ Nick.
जटदी लाल सूहा रंग ना तू चोरी चोरी संग सानू पता तेरे रंग होने छड़ते तू संग मंगना की मंगदा सी चाहिदी है गुच्चियां लाहौर तो जुत्ती जाके नाम साडा बच्ची वल्लों खंगदी ना दुखी ना हथ किन्नी चुक्की मंजी ठोकते हैं सुक्की सुक्की करते हैं लहर जिथे पड़ते हैं पैर फिर मचदा या खैर पैरी पैर भुल तू गड्डी म्यूजिक करा के भाई इंची दे पवा के टैर घूमते नहीं तेरे शहर घूमते गड्डी म्यूजिक करा के भाई इंची दे पवा के टैर घूमते नहीं तेरे शहर घूमते गड्डी म्यूजिक करा के भाई इंची दे पवा के टैर घूमते नहीं तेरे शहर घूमते
Yo, got it on to Abby, you already know, baby.
ਉਹ ਸ਼ੂਵਰ ਸੱਚ ਜਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਕੇ ਕੰਨੀ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਬੱਬਰ ਸ਼ੇਰ ਹੈ ਫੁੱਲ ਦਲੇਰਾ 7 ਦਿਨ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਸ਼ੂਵਰ ਸੱਚ ਜਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਕੇ ਕੰਨੀ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਬੱਬਰ ਸ਼ੇਰ ਹੈ ਫੁੱਲ ਦਲੇਰਾ 7 ਦਿਨ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਤਿੰਨ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਨੇ ਪੱਟ ਹੋਣੀਏ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇ हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 सोनिए
Once again, let's put our hands together for such an amazing performance. Now, I invite Komal Toor, a student from class 12th, to extend vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Komal Toor from class Plus 2 Commerce A. And on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day celebration, it is my honor and privilege to extend a vote of thanks on behalf of Sacred Heart Fraternity. First and foremost, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest of the day, Shri Rupinder Singh, for gracing this event with his presence and making this day memorable. We are also deeply thankful to our guest of honor, Dr. Rishi Indra Singh Gill, for giving us his valuable time and making this occasion a day to always remember. I would also like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Director, Reverend Father George. Reverend Father, your support and encouragement has added a special touch to this celebration today. I extend my sincere thanks to our respected principal, Reverend Sister Sylvie. We are truly grateful for your constant dedication to nurturing and inspiring our students. To our dedicated teachers, I express my deepest appreciation. Your commitment to education and the holistic development of our students is truly inspiring. Last but not least, a big thank you to all the participants whose performances have filled us with pride and joy. Once again, thank you all for your presence and participation. Together, we have made this Independence Day celebration a truly memorable one. Thank you, and once again, a very happy Independence Day to all. Now, I request everyone to stand in attention position in the honor of our national anthem.